Alright, you got your throttle right here. That is the throttle. Your brakes. The motor, the exhaust. Kickstart. Your basically hold your foot in place. This is your kickstand. Got your footrest. You got your motor. You got your exhaust. You got your fenders. You got your speedometer. Brake. See, the brakes do work. Barely. Gotta find new tires for it. But see, you got your motor. If I could find tires for it, which I already found tires. I think I'll be able to put them on here. I don't know. We just gotta work the. We just gotta find another engine for it. Damn shit. Once we can find another engine for it, I think we'll be good. That's this one. That's your suspension. Should still work. You got your pull start somewhere. They should have a pull start. Now, this is one of the older ones, so I don't know. They should. I'm working up to the. That's a Honda. I think this one up here is a Yamaha. Man, this thing's a piece of junk. Oh shit. Right up the hill here. Then we got a bunch of four-wheelers and stuff around here. Wish I had a damn GoPro to make it a hell of a lot easier. Alright,